My name is Akachi Eze and I'm a nursing major and a junior, and I'm from Nigeria. So freshman and sophomore year, I was a biochemistry and microbiology major, which I absolutely loved. The plan was to use the BCMB major to go to med school, which I'm still planning on. But I figured out that I actually want to work with people, and I just decided end of sophomore year that nursing would be a great way for me to get to work with people and get that experience that way, how I grew up and where I grew up. I have been exposed to seeing people have the most common conditions that would be common here in the States and dying from it just because they didn't know what was out there and they didn't have that information. And I'd like to be the one who would be able to help them out with that. Hardin in general is a place where you find people who want to be in a community. Not everybody who goes to Hardin is a Christian. Not everybody who goes to Hardin is from the Church of Christ. But Hardin is very inclusive, and Hardin has people and faculty who are ready to help you with anything you need. Not just faculty, the upperclassmen, and you get the opportunity to find friends in the club, find friends out of your club, find friends in your nursing cohorts, and actually spend time working on those relationships. Hardin just honestly gives you a good foundation to go out there and be the best you that you can be.